Welcome to A-Tech. In this video I will discuss that how to add or how to set up an eSIM on your iPhone. It's depending on what carrier you're using, there are different methods of setting up your eSIM, slightly different but all of them require you to download the eSIM software onto the iPhone, so that means first you need an internet connection, so go ahead and connect your iPhone to a Wi-Fi network, and now my own provider gives me this little piece of paper with a QR code that I need to scan. I'm hiding the QR code behind this little piece of paper due to privacy. As I scan the QR code it's going to download my esim onto the phone. Now other carriers might use a website, you might be told to go to a certain website and maybe even log in and then download the esim onto your phone, whichever way this is, how to do it. So go to settings on the main settings page, then go to mobile service or cellular data, and then here in the list of SIMs, let's go ahead and tap on add eSIM. Then it's going to do some work. And then we're going to set up mobile service, so you can either transfer from a nearby iPhone, or use a QR code. Now since I'm setting up a fresh eSIM, I'm going to use the QR code, and now it launches the QR code scanner for the eSIM, and now all I have to do is to scan this QR code, so I've just scanned the QR code and this is the screen I see. So it says an eSIM from my provider is ready to be activated on this iPhone, so I'll tap on continue, and it says activating now, it's connected to network and it's now activated. I can a phone number there, the eSIM is locked so it's going to ask me to enter the PIN, so I'll tap on that and of course I have the PIN number here. Once you enter the PIN just tap OK, and now iPhone setup is complete, tap on done and as you can see I have two SIM cards. Alright, so I have the default line so I can use this as the default line or the mobile data line. So, in this way, you can activate eSIM on your smartphone. If you liked the video, subscribe my channel for more tech updates.